Wondering how long your home is going to take to sell this summer? Well, I have some answers for you. According to our Twin Cities market, and every market is different. So when we say Twin Cities, we're talking Minneapolis, St. Paul, and surrounding communities. So some of these communities, the homes go on the market and they sell instantly. Some of the communities, they take a little bit longer because there's more inventory. So really, depending on where you live, that market is different. It could be the city right next door to you, and that city could be selling really super fast, and yours might be taking a little bit longer. So that's something we would need to talk about to answer that question fully. I've got 3 key points I want to talk to you about, and we kind of hit on this in the last video. Number 1 is condition. What I see from my buyers is my buyers don't absolutely need a updated, ready to go, turnkey house. My buyers want it clean and they want things to work in the house. They're going to put their own paint colors in, their own flooring. They're going to do a lot of things. Most of my turnkey buyers, they're looking at townhomes and condos. So where they can just shut the door and go on vacation and not have to worry about anything. As far as condition goes, as long as it's clean, decluttered, depersonalized, ready to go, that's what my buyers are looking for mostly, because they want to make that home their own eventually. Number 2, to get your home sold sooner than later is accessibility. I've had some sellers in the past that continue to turn down showings. And there's a statistic in the market that approximately 70% of all buyers will not return to that home if they get shot down for their first showing. They will not come back. A lot of sellers think that we'll just, reschedule. Doesn't work that way. They usually will not come back. Number 3 is pricing. Pricing is super important. We need to make sure that it's priced accordingly. Otherwise, your home is going to sit on the market longer and you're going to miss all that foot traffic that you could have had when you priced it right to begin with. So we want to make sure you do not overprice it. In fact, sometimes I recommend pricing it, 10-15% under value, but that's something we would talk about. I hope these tips help you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Mark Callender with the Callender Home Team and RE/MAX Results. Thanks for watching.